Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. So I'm back to do the second drawing for the, for drawing number 2 for the Go Me, Accuquilt Go Me little cutter there. So excited, sorry. I was supposed to go to the store, but I got distracted. You know how that is. I'm like, oh, I need to print like all the pages I need for my next journal and, for the one I'm working on. And yeah, so I haven't gone to the store yet. It's okay, it's still open. It's Walmart. So but I thought I want to go ahead and do another one before it gets, you know I get going and then be like, oh no, I forgot. Yeah, so no, don't want to do that. So anyway, so I already heard back from the first winner. Yay, congratulations, Tammy. And um and so hers will ship out in the morning. So without any further ado, let's see who the next winner is for the Go Me. So give me just a second to get swapped over to the computer. Okay, so we are back at our computer. Let's go ahead and, I was going to copy and paste from the keyboard, but I'll show you guys. I copy and then paste, and then we don't want to filter. And look at, see the Accuquilt? See, it keeps coming up. Oh, I just love the Accuquilt. All right, 22 unique comments, and let's see who's going to win. Crafty Cat. She has one. I know she was wanting hers to go to Melody at Willoughby House, but I want to make sure that that's what she wants to do. If that is the case, she'll either get it or we'll send it off to Melody. So congratulations to either one, whoever wants it. So whatever Amy decides, that's Amy from Crafty Cat. She wants B, C, D, and A. So I think she copied the same thing as Melody, but let me get back over to the video here. Okay, so all right, so Amy, if you would get a hold of me by Friday 10 p.m. Central Standard Time and let me know if that is what you want to do. If that is what you want, then we can mail it out to her, or if you want to keep it, just let me know either way. But that one was for B. It was, or B, C, let me look. Which one did she want? B, C, D, and A. So this is the second one, so it will be for C. Actually, we're going to give her her first choice, which was B. Since B has not been taken. So it is, oh, I got it in the box here. Get it out. It's a Go Me with the snowflake, and I also have the embroidery file for that. So if you need, when you need that, just let me know. I'll email it with it. And of course, the Go Me fabric cutter starter set. So just let me know, Amy, what you want to do, and we'll get that off as soon as possible. So let me write on the stick around here where we're at. Let's say Amy. I am still recording, right? Okay. I just want to make sure. Oh, it's been a crazy day already. Okay. Amy at Crafty Cat. Okay. And let me know, Amy, what you want me to do. And we'll go from there. Ugh. So, oh my gosh, guys, this is so exciting. I want to also just announce I have some, you need to watch all 4 because I do have some extra little things that are gonna get, so you won't have just 4 chances to win. We're going to put everybody back in the pot again, and I've got some other little prizes to give away at the end, but I don't want to do them in between because, I don't want somebody to say, well, I was the next winner, I should have got this. So we're going to do the Accuquilts first, the Accuquilt GO Me's first, and then the fabric. I didn't want to say that too much. Oh, but it is fabric related. I'm just going to say that. So stay tuned after the 4th one because I will be doing some additional giveaways. I'm just really excited, guys. This is just awesome and fun and amazing. And it's all about you guys. You guys have supported my channel. And I just want to give you guys back that thank you, you know what I mean, to be able to have some awesome tools to be able to craft with, so, and do some crafting along with, whether it's your own project or project you're doing with me. So anyways, guys, I don't want to tie you up too much. Like I said, I do need to go take care of some other stuff, and I'll be back in a little while to do the 3rd one. So Amy, you Crafty Cat, you know how to get a hold of me. So if you would, just reach out, sweetie, and we'll go on from there. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. And good luck to everyone.